Wow. Good job,
Looks like
suction cup.
You're doing it right.
Yeah.
You suction cup on there and then you pull the lever. That's the lever you gotta pull. And then it really suctions on there.
Well, you kind of do that.
Yeah, you see how it works now? On there and then you pull the lever.
Sorry, guys.
See? Much better.
I did that last time. And see, it just pops up.
I don't know what's wrong with it. Way to go, GoPro.
Well, it's not GoPro's fault. It's taking easy or whatever.
You're sticking up for your GoPro?
GoPro didn't make this.
Poor GoPro.
GoPro didn't make this, you know.
Don't pick on my GoPro.
GoPro didn't make this though. GoPro's version is way better. We'll just use this. We're connecting you to something. Okay, so we have to go through a car wash.
You got this trash out the car.
Yeah, we need to get the trash out of this car. What are you singing?
I can't sing, so I just do a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom, you can't sing.
Yeah.
You always tell me to stop singing. You can't sing either.
I know you can't.
We were not blessed with singing noises,
Yeah, totally not.
even though I've tried for years.
For years?
Oh yeah.
How many years?
Probably ever since I was like 4 years old, so that would mean like 29 years.
Jeez, Mom.
What? I'm old.
No, you're not. You're only 33. Everybody, like, all the kids I know, his moms are like 40 and stuff.
I know, I had you when I was like really young.
Yeah.
I was like 22 when I had you. That
That's
rhymed.
rhymed.
Did you say that rhymed?
Yeah.
I did too.
Look at that tree. It's all crazy looking. It's something that would be in a horror movie. You've seen The Conjuring 2. And it won.
You know, anything could look scary with the right background music.
Even a pink fluffy unicorn.
Yeah.
What about a rock?
Yeah, if you go like watch, let me show you the rock. See, this is the rock. It doesn't look scary really, right?
It does not scare you at
But
all.
all of a sudden, if you throw the right background music to it, watch. Hold still. Hold still. Da-na, da-na, da-na-na-na-na-na-na. See? Now it's so scary.
It's not scary at all.
Oops.
What?
I went real old and turned my signal on when I didn't need to.
Yeah.
And I even drove half a block with my signal light on.
She just drove half a block with the signal light on for no reason.
Because I'm old.
You're not old enough for the 20 millionth time.
Ma!
Mom, is that you? That works.
Oh yeah, that works really good.
Oopsie daisy. Kind of low battery, but it's okay. Shoot.
Why did you charge that thing?
Oh, I charged it. Maybe.
Did you
a
put on the
day or
charger
two
last
ago.
night overnight?
No.
You should have done that.
Yeah. It's okay though.
Oh, girl.
Who?
Okay.
Oh, Paul, like Paul Farrell.
Hello?
Hello, I was just got this Aaron's number.
You're trying to get a hold of Aaron?
Yeah, I guess that's the number right here. 74. Sorry.
Oh, okay. His phone's off right now.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, so
My house caught on fire Wednesday.
your house caught on fire?
Wednesday, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my
Mine
goodness.
adults, though, I put it out myself. It's not that big. It's just,
Wait, his
my house reeks, and that's a mess for someone.
Ooh, sorry about that.
Oh, his house
That's
caught on
gotta-
fire?
Yeah, that's crazy. How did you know how it caught on fire?
Well, the pedestal was moved out to be fixed, and by Jason, it didn't get. There was a boot in between home, and it came unconnected, disconnected between that. So it was dropping on it. So,
Were you trying to get a hold of Aaron to see if he can help clean up?
no, if he could, but if he can't, that's fine.
I'll see him probably around 12. Well, it's like, yeah, I'll probably see him in like an hour. I could have him.
Yesterday I still lost the back of the truck. Laptop is that.
Oh, okay, yeah, let me.
I'm just having a wonderful time.
That sucks so bad. Ugh. Let me have.
Yeah.
I'll see him. I'll see him in an hour, and I'll try and send him in your direction.
Okay. If you can, if you can't, it's fine.
Okay, well, I'll try and get him to go. See if he can.
Okay, yeah. It's not like me to stay in bed. I haven't even got out of bed yet. So
Yeah, I would just take it easy if I were you.
I've got to do what I can do.
All right. Well, I'll call you back like in an hour, and then after I see him, and see if I can get him to go that direction if he can.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later then.
All right. Bye. Thanks.
Oh, no problem. Bye. Well, that's rough.
His house caught on fire. That's not good.
I was just thinking about his house catching on fire. I wonder if I caused it. You know what, Isaiah? It's scary. Like, I can't think bad thoughts about people when bad things happen to them. I literally was just thinking about his house catching on fire the other day. I bet you that's when it caught fire. And then Tom, that real estate agent that I don't like, I was pissed off at him because he was being a jerk. Next time I see him, his face is all banged up and it's got scratches all over it. And I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, people shouldn't piss me off. I like.
Good thing that doesn't happen to me.
I think he might be a little immune. Besides, I don't have to do anything as far as like directing a bad energy towards you. If you're with me, then I just get you in trouble myself.
Yeah, she just thought about his house catching on fire, and it just.
Oh, you had that on the GoPro? I'm not kidding though. I really did just have that happen. Like, this other guy really pissed me off, and then right after he really pissed me off, I thought about him going to jail, and he did.
Serious?
I'm not kidding. Yeah.
How?
I don't know. It's
Are you
like
a...
and like, it's not like I always like, I think about it and then it happens and then I find out that it happened and I'm like, oh my God, did I? And I'm like, it's such a weird coincidence that it's like creepy. You know what I mean?
It's like you could just think
like
of stuff happening.
And it's like, it's just really creepy that ends up happening that way sometimes. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
I was literally just thinking about his house being on fire the other day.
And then it happened.
And then it happened. Yeah. Yeah, is that so weird?
You're like
Can you
a
help me throw away
superhero.
all the trash in here, please?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go. We gotta hurry. We're late. We're running late.
We're lit, you said?
Yeah, we're running late. I was supposed to meet up with Ben a long time ago. I'm surprised that he got pissed off at me right now.
Here we go.
Just leave it there.
Oh, okay. But we're gonna open the door.
It won't go anywhere.
Okay.
Not losing your stuff.
I won't. Have a nice view. Alright. It's juice bowl. Garbage. I think that's him calling you.
Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Yep. Come on.
Hello? Hey.
Here it goes.
Hey, did I leave that paperwork from yesterday in that car, or did I bring it inside and put it on the desk?
Alright, so it's time. Smash and find what's inside.
Okay,
So once you guys need it.
this is the geode. And then we're going to put it inside the bag, so that way the shards don't go everywhere. Alright, so here's this. And then you're going to hit it with the hammer right there, in the middle. Like one good hard hit.
You ready?
you go.
There it goes.
Oh my gosh. Maybe you hit it too hard.
But that still looks awesome. Look at that. Look at all those crystals.
Look at the crystals.
It's actually pretty weak. I didn't know it was going to be...
Oh my god, it cracked way too easy. I was hoping it wouldn't shatter so much.
It's okay though. It looks awesome. Whoa, look at that. That one looks
Oops.
cool. Wow, that cracked so easily.
Here you go. So there's your geode. I'll get you another one another time, and you probably won't hit it as hard next time.
Yeah. That looks sick. So that's what's inside a geode. A ton of crystals.
Pretty cool crystals.
Let me get it close up.
This
They
one's
look
pretty.
like- Looks like a snowflake.
That's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Here's the rest of your little pieces.
Yes.
Okay, I gotta go to work now.
Me too. No, I don't actually. I'll keep these in here. And that's all.
We'll put it on in like a little container when we get home.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So